Hi, everybody.
That was cool. Love it. Yeah, hi everybody. So we have today quite short agenda. First news that, as Vova said, we will merge our pull request in next several days, I hope. That were provided,
As he said before the recording started.
as
So
he said before the recording
nope,
started.
nobody knows if he said that.
I mean, now I'm telling that, and if he is not against, then that will happen.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
just a start process.
cool. You see, now it's recorded. From next one, wait, I'll share my screen and have it show something. Um, I guess you already know this architectural page, and I made some changes last week there, and with Alex Palaros, we went through of them, and he already merged it to the repo. So the changes here is related to his, like not to his, there was a new document related to the service contract and the approaches that Magento is want to use in the future, so that we want to try that each operation contains UID inside. And as user of API, you can transfer your own UIDs if you want to. And then by those UIDs, you can request the status of your operations. And basically, that's not required field. You can skip it. In this case, it will be generated by Magento side. And then with response, you will get this UID back. So what we did, we generally eliminate the source ID that was here before. And all operations are like upload the source, and then the import itself will be operated with UID. Yeah, that's not implemented currently yet. Now our base extension is still using the source ID there, and we will receive a couple of pull requests, I hope, this week for the processor of the files. They also will be based on a source ID, and also idea that this file processors, so for upload the files, they have to be independent from our implementation, so they should not manipulate with the source ID itself. So that's generally what also a good point that we want to try. So those pull requests they can be accepted even as we don't have currently this UID implemented and still using the source ID. So yeah, that's something we will wait for the next days and hope they will arrive. Generally, they assigned to Stjopa, I guess. Wait, not here. Yeah, they're assigned to Stjopa. And we also will get the remote file uploader by one guy who is not in our meetings yet. That's I guess my mistake. I have to change it. Yeah, I will invite him the next time. Yeah, that's basically all from my side for today. Quite short. Oh, Alex is here. Oh, hello.
Hey.
Two Alexes is here. Oh, hello. Yeah, basically, that's all from my side. If you have some topics or questions, let me know. Right. No. Okay.
Moving once, going twice. So.
Then,
Okay.
if no questions, I guess we will see each other next week, and then we'll have more info to tell about.
Yes, we are all looking forward to async service prototypes and development. And
We basically just got in Comrop a new client where we want to integrate it. So we already want to invest more time in this project and to use it at least as prototype on our side, and then maybe some part of implementation we can deliver as a pull request to the main repo.
Sounds sexy, sir. Thank you.
Good. Then have a nice evening, day, morning, wherever you have, and see you next time. Ciao,
Bye
ciao.
bye, everybody.